Hello everyone, it's John with Redarc. We are at the Outside Adventure Expo in Salt Lake City, and we're really excited to show you our new total vehicle management system in the back of this Land Cruiser 200 series. So we're looking at our RedVision Manager 30 kit, which we like to call our total vehicle management system. There's several different aspects of this kit. Right here, this is our Manager 30. It acts like 6 products in one. It's an amazing charger where we're going to be able to receive charge while we're driving, DC. We're going to be able to charge from AC or shore power, and also solar. The Manager 30 comes with this new screen, which is an update from our previous Manager 30 screen, and we'll get into that in a minute. And then the other piece of the RedVision Manager 30 kit is the distribution box, and we can see that up here. This is where everything ties together. So instead of having all these different pieces of your 12-volt system that don't speak to each other and don't interact with each other, the distribution box of the RedVision system allows us to monitor and control everything from one central location. So let's take a look at what we are doing right now with our total vehicle management system. We have a 180 amp hour Dakota lithium battery hidden underneath this panel right here. And here's the brains of the whole TVMS, or the total vehicle management system. Right now we can see all these different accessories. So here's our fridge. Our fridge is running. The most amazing thing about the distribution box and the TVMS is that we can control all of our 12-volt accessories through this panel. So right now, if I click this button, I just turn the fridge off. So the fridge is now currently off. We also have an inverter running, and we actually have an e-bike attached to the inverter. And so that's what we can see, all these different numbers here. It's telling us exactly what's going on with our batteries. So let's go through that and figure out what's happening. We see 86%. Our battery is charged to 86%. In 4 hours, now 5 hours, our batteries will be depleted. So that means that if we maintain this current level of draw, then our batteries will be depleted. This little area right here is really awesome because we know exactly what's happening. Right now we're plugged into shore power, so we're plugged into 110, an amazing part of the Manager 30. And so we're charging 32.2 amps right now. This top bar with the green light bulb, that means that 58 amps are going out towards our accessories. So between our fridge, our lights, and our e-bike, we're charging anywhere between 58 and 62 amps. We'll turn this back on. And we're putting those towards accessories, and then 30 to 26, and it fluctuates a little bit because this is an actual live view of exactly what's happening. We're actually pulling 34 amps from the battery right now. So that red arrow is down because we're pulling more than we're charging. So we know exactly what's happening, exactly what's going on. We also have lights over here on the right, which is pretty cool to be able to turn those on or off with just a click of a button. This display screen is really great. A lot of people actually mount it in the front of their van or truck or camper. But you can also have this exact same functionality with your phone. So if you have an Android or an iPhone, our app will do the exact same thing. You can control things, look at your batteries, look at your draws, and it's a pretty powerful and amazing system. One last thing is we actually have a compressor as well, and the compressor does a really good job of showing what happens when you massively change your draws. So if I click this button, it's going to turn the compressor on, and we'll see that our power draw is going to increase massively. So if I click this, we went from 25 amps, we're now pulling 81 amps from the battery. And that's pretty cool to be able to know, have that granular view of, hey, what exactly is happening with our battery system. We turn that off, everything will equalize again, and we know exactly what's going on. So no more wondering, oh my gosh, how much am I drawing? How much am I charging? And how long do I have? Everything is answered right here with this screen. Thanks again for checking out the TVMS and the Land Cruiser 200, and big thanks to Bison Overland for installing the whole system for us. The TVMS unlocks the ability not only to monitor, but also control all your 12-volt accessories. You can find more information about the TVMS on redarcelectronics.com. Our Instagram is redarc_USA. There is tons of amazing content on YouTube, everything from user reviews to how-to videos and a ton more. Just search for whatever you're looking for and you'll probably find it. And again, everyone, thank you so much for watching.